Even though I'm sick and my alarm didn't go off, today has been a good day. I've been working on my prototype for SpaceWise, my space mission simulator that teaches space science from like this very big complex thing into simple understandable lessons, breaking things down. And yeah, I've been working on for the prototype for that and learning about the code. As I've said before, I'm going from knowing nothing, from complete scratch, to this, and right now I'm learning OpenGL basics like C++, object-oriented programming, and stuff like that. I'm learning SDL2 if you're familiar with it, and yeah, I've had good progress, but I could have done better. I've worked for an hour and a half right now in the afternoon because in the morning my alarm didn't go off and I missed school because of that. Anyways, let's go. Right now I'm gonna put the clip of when I woke up and then you'll see the day go along. Let's go. What's up? I just woke up and I'm a bit sick, but no problem. Right now I woke up really late, the alarm didn't go off again, so I need to change something about that. And yeah, I also missed like school a little bit, so now I have to get ready, get my breakfast and go to school. And I don't think I'm gonna be able to work today, which is very sad, but bro, I don't know, I need to change this with the alarm. Anyways, let me just show you. We got hot tea, some cheese and some peanuts. Don't have much time to cook, but yeah, let's get it done. Let's go. Right, just came back from school. Right now I'm gonna make myself beef cut, and then I'm gonna also make the portions for the chicken to put in the freezer, because I just bought a kilo and a half of chicken breast. So yeah, I'll make the portions. Then I'm gonna eat a beautiful soup that my mom has made for me, and with the steak. Yeah, let's get it. Okay, here we have 5 portions, just as I envisioned. This is for 5 days, and they are divided into, like, the kilo and a half is divided into 300-gram portions. And yeah, let me just put all of these in the freezer. Alright, today's meal is a lot of soup, and a piece of meat. I'm gonna get eating this. I don't know if I'm gonna finish it before I have to go to school again, but I will try. Let's get it. Alright, just came back from school, and I'm gonna show you my other meal. We got here more soup with like meat, carrots, tomato. We got some fouet and we got some peanuts as well. I'm gonna get this done, and I'm gonna stay a bit later today. I'm gonna stay a bit later. I don't know if that's well said. I'm gonna stay up later today because I need to work. I haven't worked today because I woke up so late, bro. I need to do something with the alarm. I'm just gonna put an alarm on my phone instead of the watch, and that's it. Like, because it vibrates and it doesn't wake me up. I don't know why. Maybe I'm too deep in sleep. Maybe I'm incredibly tired. Maybe I'm extremely sick, like I've been today. But I've been getting better, so that's nice. Anyways, yeah, I'm gonna get this done, and then I'm gonna work. Let's go. So I have finished eating, and yeah, brush my teeth, of course. I have put cream in my hands. Cream, I don't know if you say cream, but it's basically to hydrate my hands, because with the cold weather, like with the sudden cold weather, my hands are completely dry. Like it's crazy. They're very dry. So, like bro, I just put this like cream, and it disappeared, bro. Like there's almost nothing here right now, and I put it like 2 minutes ago. So like the skin is absorbing this like crazy. I'm just gonna have to go again like in a second and put more. But yeah, what's the plan? The plan is, it's late, but like yesterday I went to sleep pretty late, so I'm gonna fix my schedule today, and I'm gonna allow myself to go late again, but I'm gonna wake up early. I'll put an actual alarm now. Because I've been trying that for a couple of days, but I've not been waking up. I don't know what I was going with this, but yeah, the plan right now is to work for hour and a half or 2, then edit this video and go to sleep. And in these 2 hours, what I want to do is finish understanding this method, or at least putting comments and explaining what it does, this code. And then at school today, I've been asking AI about some things, and some of them are like, what about my it was here. Well, I was asking about the distractor, but I guess it's no, this is the app distractor. Yeah, I wanted to know which one was like what was going to be the terrain distractor. So yeah, here I asked, what about the destructor of the terrain class? And it said this. So this code should be to delete the VEO, the VBO, and the EBO, and also the texture, to avoid like memory leaks. Yeah, then you would call it later in the program on the app class. Then what is this? Oh yeah, this is the full class with the destructor. Yeah, basically the same thing as on top. And then I thought, like with this was the experience that I had from creating a world in code with ChatGPT, with AI basically. Earlier in the previous days, I tried to create a world, but like without understanding the code, just typing AI, just typing and asking for code and just copy paste. I tried that, and there was always shaders. So here, like on the initial program, I didn't have shaders. So I asked, like, are shaders actually necessary for this? And it said, yes, of course, you need to create shaders. So here, it suggested, bro, I can't speak, I don't know why. It suggested to me that I create a shader class. So that's basically what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna create a shader class, and then I'm gonna have to study all of this code. It's actually crazy that this AI made this big ass piece of code for me. Actually nuts, but I'm not gonna complain. I'm grateful for it. Then we have here the actual shaders, which are written in GLSL, and then yeah, we would modify the terrain class to add the shaders and make everything work. Still sick, but no problem. Yeah, I'm just gonna have to study all of this. I probably won't be able to finish it today because it's a lot of code, but at least I'll try to get done half or more. I don't know, bro. I will not put any goals or stuff, because I know I don't remember the name of this rule, but like you fill up, if you give a task 40 minutes, but you could have done it in 20 minutes, you will do it in 40 minutes. I don't know if you understand. So, but either way, I'm not gonna put any time frame. I'm just gonna work as hard as possible and try to understand it as hard as possible and do it as fast as I possibly can. So let's go, bro. This has been a lot of time. 5 minutes to just explain this, bro. That's crazy. I'm dying. But I need to. Okay, let's go. Let's put time lapse. Let's get the time lapse in. The first thing you will see me do is lift the chair to put more cream and get, I don't know, bro, I don't know how to say the green stuff on the nose, but get that out ASAP. Let's go. Alright, here we are. It's pretty late, bro. How much time? How much time? Hour and a half. Oh, damn. I thought it was more. Either way, bro, I'm so tired. I want to sleep so badly. So, I still have to edit the video, so that's why I'm doing this. I'm ending this right now. But yeah, let me just show you what I've done, explain it a little bit. So I went first. I finished the terrain thing. So I went over here and I finished the render terrain. I put the parameters. I tried to like understand what happens here. This just indicates that it's gonna render triangles as the main geometry. This will indicate this size, like how big are the indices, like how many indices there will be to know how many triangles are gonna be rendered. So if it returns here 600, it will draw 200 triangles, because for every 3 indices there's a triangle. Like 3 vertices are triangles, 3 indices are also triangles, if I'm not mistaken. I think it is, because each index indicates a specific position for a vertex, so I think that's good. Then we got like, this is the type of the indices, okay, and then this indicates if there's an offset on the data, like where does the EBO data start, the element buffer object, where does the data start? If it's 0, there's no offset. If it's so I don't know, a 3, it will start at the 3rd position, I think. Then here it unbinds the VAO, so like no weird thing happens and no modifications happen. Then what did I do? I went to the app here and I created the terrain. I rendered I put the method to render it, and I think I did something else. Yeah, here. I just, when the app gets destroyed, like when I close the app, it will delete the terrain to avoid memory leaks. Very important. What else? Then I started with the shader. So I put this, and I had some doubts, not doubts, but some questions, some curiosity, some questions that I wanted answered. So like I did it, like I understood kind of why the ampersand is here, not the asterisk is here. But I wanted to really check, and it says that it's a pointer to a constant character, and it's a pointer. I just blanked, bro. My mind just went blank. Wait, what? What did I want to explain? Yeah, it basically points to the text of the shader, the code, the string, the text of the shader. And then we have the use shader. By the way, this is the constructor. This is the use shader. I haven't done it yet, and yeah, I just put some methods over here. I don't know why like what is this, but I'll find out over the next days. And yeah, I still don't know if this needs a destructor. It probably does, but we'll see. Then I went to the shader over here, that CVP file, the implementation, and I started to see, like, I went over here. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I went over here and I saw this, and I put it, and I really didn't understand much. I thought like this was to check errors, of course, because there's like exceptions here. There's a try and catch, but I didn't really understand it fully, and I still don't. I still have to do it. Like, still have to get more into it because I have a couple of questions. But yeah, I have briefly like explained what happens here, and yeah, well, my head is hurting. Okay, I'll explain this better tomorrow, not tomorrow, in the next video. But yeah, that's basically what I have done. I have also put a lot of cream in my hands, and they are a bit better, but I have to keep doing it. Oh my god, bro, they're so soft and so nice right now. That's amazing. It's crazy because literally in my finger here there was like blood out of nowhere, bunch of blood, like at school, and now it's like soft, which is so nice. Like, it got so dry that blood started coming out. Either way, I'ma go to edit this video and go to sleep. Bye bye. Have a nice one.